this is why you don't buy shit from fucking online, because all this shit comes from fucking China. It's fake. You can buy a whole, like 100 pieces of 1 ounce old Northwest Territory mint. So yeah, and these are non-magnetic brass. So when you do the whole neodymium test, it'll reflect just like how a silver bar would. The only way you can really tell with these bars is to cut it open and to verify that way, or to put it on a Sigma analytic. Because even if you use an XRF gun, the XRF gun only goes a few micrometers inside what's that you could scan. So a heavy or thick plate can fool the XRF machine very easily. Also, here on AliExpress, we can find certified NGC coins for sale. A whole bunch of Chinese coins, pandas, and stuff like that. That's why I say always be careful about when you buy pandas, even from dealers, because even a dealer might not know it's fake if they don't have a Sigma analytic. What's that thing to test the magnetic field? Also, here, let's take a look at this one. Okay, you can buy gold pandas. Okay, right here is the scam. You see how it says PCCB? It's supposed to say PCGS. They had certified real PCGS coins that were graded, that passes the whole serial number thing and everything, but it seems like they removed it. If you look hard enough on AliExpress, you should be able to find it again. NGC coin replicas, pandas again. Here we go. Here's the 2015 panda that you could buy. That's fake, and then because you could resell this for like more than $100, and people buy this, yeah, for $10.92 and sell it for over $100. The dumb suckers. Oh, this guy just specializes in making fake coins. With these fake coins, they're pretty easy to detect because most of these things look steel. If you run a neodymium magnet through it, it should click on it immediately, and that's how you know it's fake. The non-metallic ones, you really have to know what you're doing with a Sigma analytic, or with the weight and the measurements. That's how you don't get burned with coins. Here, this is a Sigma analytic. It costs about like $800 to $900. It tests the magnetic field of gold and silver coins. You just put it on top. If it stays within the bracket, it's 99% going to be a real coin, real gold and silver. It could still be fake, because a lot of people do replicas of like 18 karat gold, and they pass it off as 20 karat gold or 22 karat gold. A lot of jewelers do that. And this is the XRF gun that costs $13,000 to $15,000, but it can only go a few micrometers to test the purity of the gold or whatever metal that you scan with it, and it atomically breaks it down. The problem with this is a thick plate can fool this thing. I don't know why. If you buy a whole bunch of jewelry off the street, yeah, it's really good to have. But if you're dealing with just with coins, this is totally useless, and it won't help you out at all, and it's a waste of money. Just stick with the weights and measurements like I showed you, and you should be fine. Also, on a side note, refiners. What a trick they do is they like to get all your gold melted, like your pile of 18 karat gold, your pile of 14 karat gold, your pile of 10 karat gold. They'll melt each one separately and then come out with like the average percentage of like the gold inside. For 18 karat, it's supposed to be 75% pure. So what they like to do is, these guns, you could reprogram them. So they reprogram the gun so no matter what it scans, it counts a few carats down, because since they pay such a high premium, like 99% or 98% is what most refineries buy at. They like to clock it down like 2 carats. This is inside knowledge, like that they don't tell you, and they'll lie to you to your face about this shit. But if you have your own XRF gun, this is how you verify it.